Okay, in the name of Almighty Allah, hello everyone, welcome to TESOL Master English. Thanks for joining me. Before watching the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more educational videos. In this video, I am going to discuss about step-by-step growing your reading skills. This video provides a structured approach to improving your reading abilities, reading skills, and also breaking down the process into manageable steps for learners of all levels, guys. Understand the importance of reading skills. Understand the importance of reading skills has two parts. The first part is cognitive benefits. In cognitive benefits, guys, reading enhances critical thinking. Pay attention, critical thinking, problem solving, and memory. If you have good reading, reading can enhance critical thinking, problem solving, and memory. In academic context, we have different types of reading, guys. Please pay attention. In academic context, reading proficiency enables students to grasp complex concepts, perform research, and excel in exams. Developing reading skills is therefore essential for personal growth and success in both educational and real-world settings, guys. The second part is social impacts. What is the impact of reading in social, guys? In social impacts, reading improves and enhances communication in your community, guys. Reading improves and enhances communication. And also reading can improve your vocabulary day by day and understanding of diverse perspectives. If you have good reading, guys, you can understand, you have understanding of diverse perspectives and also the ability to analyze. Reading can improve and develop your ability to analyze and interpret information effectively. Develop daily reading rituals. Also, this title has three parts. The first part is set aside time. Set aside times. Dedicate a specific time slot for reading. If you want to have a good reading, you have to dedicate a specific time slot for reading, even, pay attention, guys, even if it is just 15 minutes daily or in a day. Set aside time, guys. It means dedicate a specific time slot for reading if it is just 15 minutes daily. Choose comfortable space. In choose comfortable space, it means find a quiet, well-lit or bright space that promotes focus and relaxation. Bright space, quiet space or place can promote your focus and relaxation during your reading. Avoid distraction. The third part is avoid distraction. Minimize interpretation by putting away your phone. During your reading, you have to minimize interruptions by putting away your phone, turning off notifications, and creating a calming environment. Calming environment is very important if you want to have a good reading, guys. Practice interactive read aloud sessions. This title also has three parts. The first part is take turns reading. Practice interactive read aloud sessions. The first part is take turns reading. Engage in read aloud sessions where participants alternate reading passages. The second part is discuss the text. Engage in open discussions about the story, characters, and themes. Ask questions. The first part, promote comprehension by asking and answering questions about the text. You have to ask some questions from yourself about different texts, about different titles during your reading or finished your reading, guys. Strengthen phonics and word study skills. Strengthen phonics and word study skills. Sound recognition. Sound recognition. Master the sounds of individual letters and letter combination based on phonics or phonology, morphology, and so on. Sound recognition. Master the sounds of individual letters and letter combination. The second one is decoding words. In your reading, you have to break down words into smaller sounds to identify meaning. Break down words into smaller sounds to identify meaning. Word families. In word families, learn common word patterns and rote words to build your vocabulary. In word families, learn common words, patterns, and rote words to build your vocabulary, or develop or increase your vocabulary based on synonyms and antonyms. Enrich your vocabulary. If you want to have a good reading, guys, you have to enrich your vocabulary. Enrich your vocabulary also has three parts. The first part is read widely. Read widely. Expose yourself to a variety of genres and topics to encounter new words. Enrich your vocabulary. Read widely. Expose yourself to a variety of genres and topics to encounter new words. The second part is use a dictionary. Enrich your vocabulary. The second part is use a dictionary. Look up unfamiliar words and note their definition. If you face to any new words during your reading, you have to use a dictionary. Look up unfamiliar words and note their definition, pronunciation, and examples. Practice using new words. Incorporate new words into your writing. You have to incorporate new words into your writing, speaking, and conversation if you want to enrich your vocabulary, and also you have a good reading to solidify understanding. Engage in reflective reading and response. Also has three parts. The first part is summarize key points. In summarizing key points, after reading, guys, write a brief summary of the main ideas and themes if you want to have a good reading. After you are reading, write a brief summary of the main ideas and themes. It is very important. The second part is analyze the text. After reading, write a brief summary of the main ideas and themes, and then you have to analyze the text and discuss about the text. Consider the author's purpose. And writing style and message. The third part is connect to your experiences. Reflects on how the text relates to your own life, thoughts, and feelings. Connect to your experiences. Reflects on how the text relates to your own life, thoughts, and feelings. Explore diverse texts and reading strategies. Fiction. In reading, we have some different readings: fiction, non-fiction, poetry, and plays. Fiction, books and stories about imaginary people and events, or we can say something that people want you to believe is true but which is not true. Non-fiction, it means books about real facts or events. Non-fiction, it means books about real facts or events, not imaginated ones. poetry also, and plays also. Celebrate your reading progress, and set new goals. The first part is track progress. Track progress, it means to follow and continue your progress in your reading day by day. Track progress, keep a record of books. Read, genres explored, and new words learned. Acknowledge accomplishments. In acknowledge accomplishments, you have to recognize milestones and celebrate the positive impact reading has on your life. Recognize milestones and celebrate the positive impact reading has on your life. The third part is set new goals. And set new goals, challenge yourself to read more. Challenge